Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Maimo Watch R, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. So let's get started. First thing we need to do is to open the Maimo Fit application on the phone that is paired with your watch. I forgot to mention, but your watch needs to be paired with a phone for this to work. And once you open the application, Maimo Fit, you can tap on device, and here you should see your Maimo Watch R. Now, under it, you will see this watch faces category, and you can tap on here to open the watch face page. And on it, you will see the local page, online and custom. We are interested in online, so tap on online, and we'll open the watch face store. And here you can scroll through different watch faces with different categories, look for something you want to use, and once you find something you like, you can simply tap on the watch face, tap on upload and use. It will start downloading, uploading to your watch, and then once it's done, it will be applied automatically. Okay, and as you can see, it's done uploading to our watch, and it's been applied as well. So it is working now. You can download multiple watch faces, and at some point you probably will run out of space for them. And you can also, or always, remove watch faces by going here to the local one, tapping on the watch face you want to remove, and then tapping on delete. And once you remove the watch face and free up the space, you can install more if you want to. And basically that's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.